On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that will thrill any noodle head. Chili peanut noodles. Wei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is so easy to make and incredibly delicious. Let's begin. Bring a kettle of water to boil for the noodles. Pour the boiling hot water onto the noodles. In this episode, I'm using a 1/4 pound of flat rice noodles. Cover and let the noodles cook for 8 to 10 minutes. There's definitely not too much to this. Just gonna chop up some herbs, some delicious cilantro, some really fragrant basil, some delicious green onion. Gonna make a sauce, toss everything together with the noodles, and you're gonna have this delicious party in a bowl that you'll definitely want to attend. 10 grams of cilantro, finely chopped. Two sticks green onion, finely chopped. Ten grams of basil, finely chopped. Two tablespoons peanut butter. One tablespoon hoisin sauce. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. This is a delicious, really smoky and incredibly aromatic chili oil I made in the previous episode. It's just amazing. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out and make this really easily at home. 2 generous tablespoons chili oil. Add a splash of hot water from the noodles. Whisk. If you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then you'll definitely love the brand new cookbook simply titled Cook with Confidence. This is a collection of the favorite recipes from the cooking show, and I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out, find out more information, or get your signed copy. Frying pan. Medium heat. 1/4 cup peanuts. Toast the peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes. 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds. Turn off the heat, swirl around, and you're done. Transfer the peanuts and sesame seeds to the sauce. Add the herbs to the sauce. Drain out the water from the noodles and add to the sauce. Gently toss and coat the noodles and plate to serve. You can now enjoy this flavor-packed noodle dish with absolute confidence. So incredibly easy, but so incredibly packed with flavor. And just look at those noodles. This is just one of those recipes that is just amazing because it is just so simple, a few humble ingredients, and yet is extremely packed with flavor. Those noodles literally absorb all of that incredible sauce, and you get that kind of slight spiciness, but that incredible smokiness from the chili oil. You get the delicious kind of sweet umami flavor from the hoisin sauce, and the delicious peanut butter just adds that really nice velvety creaminess to that sauce. And of course, that's what's helping the noodles stick to that sauce. And you have the crunchy deliciousness from the toasted peanuts that just adds a little bit of that toasty flavor. The combination of the herbs, the green onion, the cilantro, the really fragrant basil, just coats all of those noodles in that delicious kind of really complementary flavor to the spicy smokiness. You get that kind of fragrant herb flavor, really delicious. You have that kind of sesame flavor as well, because we also toasted the sesame seeds along with the peanuts. So it really kind of brings out the oil and becomes this harmonious kind of delicious sauce that's salty. It has that umami flavor, has that little bit of spiciness, the smokiness. All of those noodles are coated with flavor. So easy to make, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and of course, if you'd like to find out more information or get your copy of that new cookbook, you can check this out in the link in the description box below. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. In that same link, you can also pick up your free ebook that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so I'll see you in the next episode.